This gadget turns into a car desk, has a pocket for your laptop. It can be used as a food tray in the back. This gadget sits on the inside of your gas tank door, lets you pump gas load, touching the handle. This product allows you to mount your phone to your car, so you can look at directions, answer calls, and can even play music. It has a new magnetic and suction technology to lock your phone in place, so it won't come off even when going over bumps. This nozzle connects to any bottles, can pour wiper fluid or engine oil without making a mess. This handy device sucks and blows, making it ideal for quick cleanups around the house, on your desk, or in your car. It's rechargeable and wireless, so you can move freely without cords, with multiple attachments for tricky spots. If you're like me and you're tired of always dropping things down the gap next to your car seat, then you'll love this product. Just slide it over the belt buckle and secure it in the gap. No more lost items under the seat. This versatile tool provides excellent anti-slip protection for your car. The triangular design provides enhanced stability, even on uneven or slippery surfaces. And this docking station extends USB ports in the center console, lets you charge with ease. This curved trailer aid makes swapping out tires on tandem axle trailers effortless. No jack required. This is rear view mirror attachment that works on any rear view mirror. It's 12 total inches and has a slight bend to it, so you can see so much more when you start using it.